I'm extremely satisfied with the seminar um, because on the one hand it was extremely well organized, and on the other hand it was very fruitful, I think, because with all those different backgrounds and the different experience everyone is bringing in, there was a very good basis for working together. Um, Plus, the simulation game, we agreed on that it is extremely close to reality and that it actually could have happened as it happened in the game. Um, so we can extract many experiences we made in the game and transfer it to reality.
Which role do you have?
Um, it's somehow funny because I played the leader of a right-wing populist party, so actually the direct opposite of my real-life situation, and I actually was pretty successful in the game because I started with around 10% of the voting shares, and I increased them to 25, and I could present myself as a person of stability and the only one who could face the crisis. And so, and although we talked before about what is right-wing populism and how it acts, the other parties weren't that much able to respond the challenges of right-wing populism. So we also saw how hard it can be to oppose to it.
Your impression with Macedonia?
I was just able to see Skopje twice at night, but well, it was actually striking to see those. What is it called? Macedonia 2014? Skopje 2015. Yeah, this project is somehow well disturbing maybe to see all those new monuments, but yeah, it's hard to describe, but a bit weird, definitely.